everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to learn how to write an IELTS Writing Task 1 process diagram answer. The diagram explains the complete process of recycling plastic bottles, which is divided into several stages from beginning to end. In this question, you need to describe a process. A process diagram shows how something is made, recycled, or produced step by step. In this case, the process starts with collecting used plastic bottles and ends with creating new reusable products. For the introduction, you should simply paraphrase the question. Do not add your opinion or extra details. Example introduction. The diagram illustrates the process of recycling plastic bottles, which is divided into several stages from collection to the production of new items. The overview is one of the most important parts of IELTS Writing Task 1. It gives a general summary of the diagram. Example overview. Overall, it is clear that plastic bottle recycling is a man-made and cyclical process consisting of multiple stages, beginning with the collection of waste bottles and ending with the production of reusable materials and products. In the first body paragraph, explain the beginning stages of the process you can describe. People placing plastic bottles into recycling bins. Trucks collecting the bottles. Transportation to the recycling center. Sorting the plastic materials. Use sequence words such as firstly, next, after that. Then, in the second body paragraph, explain the remaining stages. You can describe crushing bottles into small pieces, washing to remove dirt and labels, turning plastic into pellets, heating and shaping materials, producing new products like bottles and clothing. Remember to describe the process in order and use passive voice where possible. Tips for high band score. Use formal language. Write in present simple tense. Use passive voice. Avoid personal opinions. Follow the exact order shown in the diagram. That's how you can write a strong IELTS Writing Task 1 process diagram answer. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more IELTS writing tips and band score strategies. See you in the next lesson.